Yes,
Perfect. That's
because
what
if
happened.
you say
Yeah,
that the yellow thing is the ozone, then not the whole Earth is covered with ozone.
perfect. Why? This is what we heard about. Ozone hole. I think you have heard about this. There is a big
Yeah.
hole in ozone. The question, why? Right? We need to live in peaceful life without any UV to destroy our health. That's why the people need to know. So let's see what happens and how the scientists know that problems and where we got this problem from. So in mid-19th, the scientists detected thin areas in ozone layer. Wow. So we have ozone hole. That means what? That means if this area, let's consider this is ozone, and some people, they live here, right? And UV comes directly to them. What happens? They're
No
gonna
health can.
die. Perfect. So the people start to think, why? Why that happens? And actually, there's a lot of research. I'm gonna tell you why, because of this substance. What? A chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs. What this? So, we use freons, which you know it as a chemical as chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. We use these materials in coolant in a refrigerator. So if you open the refrigerator for a long time, can cause ozone hole because chemical is dangerous for ozone, and I will teach you how. It's not in the PowerPoint as well. So CFCs or chlorofluorocarbons, which we use it in a refrigerator as a coolant or in aerosol cans that cause ozone hole. Teacher, how? Right? This is a good question. So, but let's talk about first CFCs. Is it dangerous for us? Is this dangerous if you come closer to open the fridge? Is this toxic? Will you gonna die if you open the fridge? Of course, no. So CFCs are safe for a human being, not toxic, don't react with other chemicals, but it can react with oxygen later. I will explain this. So, again, chlorofluorocarbons is a material we use it as a coolant in refrigerators or propellant in aerosol cans. Okay? You know aerosol cans, which we use. CFCs are really safe to us, for human beings, and actually not toxic and don't react with other chemicals. But how does it destroy ozone? This is a good question, right? Let me tell you the story behind this. But actually, I want you to cover this first, and then let me tell you the story how these materials destroy ozone.